what was it, 15 days ago, and it's you and me here. Who were you 15 days ago? And talk to the souls of the death of like the man that you were, the mindsets, the emotions. Go where you were when we started this.
I was afraid. I was hesitant. I was drifting. That's who I was.
Yeah.
A hopeful drifter.
What did that feel like?
Sad. Resigned.
Resigned from?
Shit working out. Life working out. That's what it was.
And what shifted? Something shifted, didn't it? Who are you now?
I am
Who's Mark? How does Mark show up now?
Yeah, I'm on purpose. I'm full of vision. I'm building. I am excited, excitable. I'm committed to moving forward.
Yeah.
I'm committed to curiosity and exploration.
I hear that you broke through the fear. So who are you now? A man that's what?
I would say determined and focused, believing, connected. Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah.
A matter of days.
Yeah.
Beautiful.